I'm kind of the poster child. I started like in, let's say, the 1st of April. But they pay us nice, treat us nice. They only hire the homeless. We're all just here to work, and it's a great thing.
Gotcha. Yeah, take them. Do you need some, we started the Other Ones Foundation in 2017. Workforce First is a supportive employment program that offers our homeless neighbors the opportunity to work as an alternative to panhandling. We're giving the city a work product, and the work that these guys are doing, it's in service of the community. Since March of 2019, we have pulled 85,000 pounds of trash out of green spaces in Austin.
On Mondays, we usually do like a work with watershed protection. So we go and get rid of the invasive weeds. And then on Wednesdays, we typically clean up homeless encampments. If you wouldn't just throw stuff out here in the middle that is garbage, we'll haul it off. Today's like free garbage day. It's not like we chase them off or anything. It's just like whatever you don't want, we're gonna take it away.
Guess you're gonna want some dough.
Okay. I'm in.
At the end of the day, everybody gets paid. They get a chance usually to stop in and check in with their case manager. But then some people want to come here and hang out, watch TV, like watch a movie, take a shower, maybe like go sleep for a while.
If one day a week you can come up and you can get $75, that may be your hygiene. If you're homeless and you're camping, that might be your food. You learn how to live. But that one day a week, you can go and have some fun, doing some cleanup work, out in the wilderness. That's fun, that's fun. The key is keeping it clean, keeping it to where, when it rains, it's not going to flush all your junk down into the water table. And many times we actually put the people to work who are living there at the camp.
So that's a good way to kind of like break the ice with people.
Yep, starting another bag.
You met Dave, he's a great example.
They found me in a park. They just came walking up. Does anybody here want to work? I'm like, I'm in.
That guy hadn't ever engaged in any kind of homeless services. He's working for us 3 days a week. He's got a bank account, which may not sound like much to you and I, but it's a big deal. If you think about work in the same way that you think about housing, or what we're offering is more of an emergency shelter type of job than it would be like a stable home. And obviously our goal is to get everyone, to get everyone to the point where they can access a stable home and a stable income.
They call it like transitioning out of the program, so it frees up a space for somebody else. So they can bring another homeless person in and get them back on their feet.
It wasn't just about money. It was about, get to go out and do some cleanup stuff, some stuff that really needed to be done. It's just something that I'm proud to be a part of.
If the best way that we can support someone is to navigate them through all the systems they need to get through in order to access the social safety net, that's what we'll do for them. And if we can support them by giving them a little bit of work here and a little bit of work there to the best of their ability, we'll do that as well. But at the end of the day, the meat and potatoes of this thing is community, support, love, fellowship. The change that we see in people when they go from being isolated and living on the streets to being engaged in a community is so profound.